Hi everyone, today we are discussing about FIFO, first in first out, using branch and bound method. FIFO branch and bound is one of the methods of the branch and bound technique. Branch and bound is a state space search method where all the children eNodes generated before a live node are treated as eNodes. FIFO branch and bound follows a breadth first search like approach. In this method, the list of live nodes follows the first in first out principle. Nodes are expanded in the same order in which they are generated, ensuring level by level exploration of the state space. A live node is the one that has been generated but its children are not yet generated. An eNode is the one that is being explored at the moment. A dead node is one that is not being generated or explored any further. The children of the dead node have already been expanded to their full capacity. First in first out is an approach to the branch and bound problem that uses the queue approach to create a state space tree. In this case, the breadth first search is performed, that is, the elements at a certain level are all searched, and then the elements at the next level are searched, starting with the first child of the first node at the previous level. For a given set, A, B, C, D, the state space tree will be constructed as follows. The above diagram shows that we first consider element A, then consider element B, then consider element C, and finally we'll consider the last element, which is D. We are performing BFS while exploring the nodes. So, once the first level is completed, we'll consider the first element, then we can consider either B, C, or D. If we follow the route, then it says that we are doing elements A and D, so we will not consider elements B and C. If we select the elements A and D only, then it says that we are selecting elements A and D and we are not considering elements B and C. Now, we will expand node 3, as we have considered element B and not considered element A, so we have two options to explore, that is elements C and D. Let's create nodes 9 and 10 for elements C and D respectively. Now, we will expand node 4 as we have only considered elements C and not considered elements A and B, so we have only one option to explore, which is element D. Let's create node 11 for D. Till node 5, we have only considered elements D and not selected elements A, B, and C. So, we have no more elements to explore, therefore on node 5, there won't be any expansion. Now, we will expand node 6 as we have considered elements A and B, so we have only two options to explore, that is elements C and D. Let's create node 12 and 13 for C and D respectively. Now, we will expand node 7 as we have considered elements A and C and not consider element B, so we have only one option to explore, which is element D. Let's create node 14 for D. Till node 8, we have considered elements A and D and not selected elements B and C, so we have no more elements to explore, therefore on node 8, there won't be any expansion. Now, we will expand node 9 as we have considered elements B and C and not considered element A, so we have only one option to explore, which is element D. Let's create node 15 for D. From the given figure, no edge weights are shown. The numbers inside the nodes represent the cost, or node number, generated during the FIFO branch and bound search. Therefore, the cost of a node is the number written inside it. Start node cost is equal to 1. Nodes are expanded in FIFO, BFS, order. The goal or leaf node shown at the deepest level is node 15. Cost of the given graph, solution node. Cost is equal to 15. Time complexity of FIFO branch and bound is big O of B power D. where B is the branching factor and D is the depth of the search tree.